If you want to factory reset your OPPO Find X9 using settings, then first of all, of course, we want to open settings. So let's go over here. Now we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the system and update option. And after that, we want to choose backup and reset. Now over here we have the reset phone option, and then we have erase all data. So we want to select this. Now here we can find, well, first we can choose if you want to clear all data or if you want to erase data but retain eSIM profile. So if you want to keep eSIM, then of course we can do that. In my case, I'm going to choose clear all data and then confirm that you want to do that. And there we go. In the meantime, you might also see some summary of everything that will be gone. If not, then you just have to know that everything will be removed from the phone. So you have to keep that in mind and make backup of everything that you don't want to lose in the process. And you might also need to enter screen lock password in order to continue, of course. And that's it. After that, once you erase the data, your OPPO Find X9 will reboot and you will be back again into the initial configuration shortly after that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.